Boy, dived right in too. Got a lot of beak presentations. Here we come.
There they are. Oh, look at that. He moved over so you can get a good picture.
Yeah, let's mom it.
Now it's a baby.
That's a boy.
Yep. He's getting feathered out.
Yeah.
Oh, look at, you can see the color down his neck. Oh yeah.
How many are there, do you know?
At least 3. Goodness sakes.